System errors causing the Livessp library DLL crashes in Microsoft Identity Manager, SSPI. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To kick off the manual repair for Livessp library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Livessp library, the Windows Live Security Support Provider, SSP. It manages the unmanaged authentication handshakes for Microsoft accounts and single sign-on, SSO services. It facilitates the data link between the local login shell and cloud-based identity manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Livessp is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Livessp library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Manual intervention with Livessp library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overwriting newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Livessp library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Livessp library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.